Hi, I'm Christina Chu. I'm a computer web specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to close Chrome and restore all pages. So it's an actual setting that you can set on your Chrome. So if you open up your browser Chrome right here, and on the right hand corner, click on Settings. And in Settings, it's going to be on Startup. So on Startup, you could open the new tab page or continue where you left off. And if you want to restore all pages, you should click on Continue where I left off. So I'm going to do that. And so that's done. Close it to make sure, to double make sure that I set it properly. I'm just going to check all my settings again. Yes, I set it properly. It has been saved. So to test it out, I'm just going to have some tabs open, grab on Google, type in Facebook. And I'm going to have another tab open. It's going to be my Facebook tab. Another tab open for my Gmail. And then I'm just going to close the Chrome. Reopen it. And there you go. All my pages have been restored. So that is how you close Chrome and restore all pages. Thank you so much for your time. My name is Christina Chu.